Hey guys, so today we are going to be filming a brand new video. I'm so excited to finally be back on YouTube. Oh my god, it's been so long. I think it's been about maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months. I don't think it's been 2 months. If it's been 2 months, you guys, oh my god, I'm canceled. I'm done. But I don't think it's been 2 months. But anyway, so today we're going to be finally back up in a new video, and we're going to be filming with the new, oh my god, you guys, I don't even think you guys could see how big this PR package is. But it is from Ilmakiage. It says "Fuck, I'm Flawless" by Ilmakiage, and it's the 30 concealer shades in here. These are the brand new concealers that they just came out with. There are about, I think, 30 different shades. I will swatch every single shade for you guys in today's video. So if you're interested in seeing all these concealers, then keep on watching. And you guys, I'm also going to be showing you guys the application, how I try them out, how they wear. I currently do have on the Ilmakiage Woke Up Like This foundation, and I am in the shade 075. I use this foundation literally all the time. It's like a natural finish, but it's also full coverage. Like, I bet you couldn't even tell I have foundation on. So this is why I like this. I will have the link for all these products down below if you guys are wanting to try any of these products out. So I already tried these out. I tried them out actually yesterday because I wanted to get to know the formula just a little bit, just a little bit. I wanted to, like, you know, try it out first before I let you guys, like, you know, I mean, I like first impressions, but then again, sometimes, you know, it doesn't work the second time. So I wanted to just try it out, you know, again in today's video. And show you guys how I liked it and how I used it. So I am the shade 02 for when I want like my bright under eye concealer, and then I'm also in the shade 375 for like my natural concealer shade. So these two I'm going to be playing with today. Okay guys, so I'm going to be going in with the shade 3.75 first. And I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes. And then next I'm going to be going in with the shade 02. I'm just going to go in with a sponge, and I'm just going to blend it out. And guys, when they say full coverage, they ain't kidding. Like, these are so full coverage, and these are like a matte finish. So if you guys are not going to like a matte finish, then you aren't going to like these. I don't really mind a matte concealer as long as it's not like over drying. And when I tried them out yesterday, and I wore these out for about maybe 3 hours. Didn't wear it too long, but it wasn't like, you know, suffocating my skin or anything. And just because I'm a little extra, I like to go in a little bit more with the brighter shade, and I just like to make sure I get that extra brightness, just because I like to be a little extra because I like a really bright under eye. And with one of my favorite cream contour shades. This is like my cream bronzer that I like using all the time. I'm just going to go in with this. And then I'm going to be going in with my favorite bronzer. I'm pretty sure you guys should know this by now. My favorite bronzer. Okay guys, so far, I just want to show you guys this concealer. It is really, really nice underneath my eyes. I don't think I need to set this because I do have dry skin. I just wanted to let you guys know I do have dry skin. So I don't think I really need to set this. I'm going to do the rest of my face like how I normally would, and if I end up creasing, and I will add a little bit of powder, and I will let you guys know if I do. But so far I don't think I need to set it because, you know, it's been a good minute. And so if any of you guys are wanting to try these out for cream contouring, I'm also in the shade 12.5 for cream contour, and 13.5 in the shade 13.5 for my cream contour as well. I used those two for my contour yesterday, and it looked really, really cute. I used the 12.5 just to add like my natural cream contour, and then bronzer, and then 13.5 to like add more depth. So those are my shades. I have like little things on my notes. And hashtag dark mode. If you have dark mode, you already know what it is. If you're still on the other one, girl, no, get into the dark side. Join the dark side already. It's time. And I'm just gonna go in with this bronzer all over my face, literally, and go on the top of my cheeks. I use this kind of like as blush as well. So you guys, I'm pretty sure 2018 and 22 are definitely correctors because they kind of remind me of correctors. This has like a pink undertone. This one has like a little bit more of a like orangey undertone, and then this one in the shade 22 But I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into these. I just put all these concealers in there. I'm like, yay, because once I'm done with the PR, I put the PR up, and this is like the finishing product of like how my PR looks empty, but this is actually like a super heavy and cute chic packaging. Like Ilmakiage, I'm gonna need y'all to send me one of these with like my name neon in here or something. So those were all the concealers, you guys. I really think you guys are gonna like these. These are not super cakey or like how do you say it, like so drying or like weird feeling. These are so comfortable. I don't even feel like I have a concealer on, and I didn't add any powder, so they are definitely self-setting for sure, because I have dry skin and I don't have any creasing or anything like that. So I'm really happy with that. And I really think you guys should check these out. I think they just launched today. Today is November 7th. And I think they launched at 11 a.m. So when you guys are watching this video, these are already going to be live. So make sure to go check them out right now. I will have the link for these products down below. Guys, like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.